In part E of the prac, we've again got our laser and we've again got the wall. Now this time what we want to do is we want to send the laser light through just a single slit. So on this cardie thing here, we've got 12 single slits that are labelled as being slits A through to L, and we just need to send the laser through one of them. So I propose just to send the laser through slit F, and we can stick the slit at any distance away from the wall that we want, but I propose just to put it 1 metre away. So we just need to put the slit here, and we've got some blue tack just to hold the slide into place. And just make sure that the laser is in fact passing through that slit. It's probably just a little bit to the left. Okay, and then if we go over to our wall, what we should find there is a single slit diffraction pattern. And we do. So this pattern here consists of a central bright band, which is much brighter and much wider than the other bands. And what we want to do with that is to measure its width and then use that information to determine the width of the slit that the laser passed through. So to measure that width, let's just grab a ruler and then place the 0 marking of it at the left edge of the bright band. So round about like that. Okay, so now it looks as though the width of this central bright band is around about 0.9 of a centimetre. So it seems to be about 0.9, pretty much 0.9 of a centimetre. Now the other thing that we want to measure here is the height of this pattern above the table. So we'll just measure that because it's clearly different to the height of the point where the laser passed through the slit. So this may impact on how far, may have an appreciable effect on the distance that the laser light travelled from the slit to the wall. So here we can see that the height of the pattern above the table is around about 7.5 centimetres. So it looks like it's around about 7.5 centimetres. And meanwhile, the height of the point where the laser hit the slit, so that seems to be around about 1.7. But then, of course, we need to add on the fact that the 0 marking of the ruler is about 0.5 centimetre above the table. So about 2.2 centimetres. So the height of the point at which the laser hit the single slit was about 2.2 centimetres above the table.